The Samsung Galaxy S23 series will be the next generation of flagship level device coming in 2023 on February 1st, which is the leak date for the unpacked event, and it's going to be packing some incredible hardware. Now, S23 Ultra is the major upgrade in terms of the flagship level device when we compare it with the S22 Ultra. In this video, we will be discussing about all those features that has been leaked for the S23 Ultra to give you an idea whether this device is going to be worth of waiting or not. Now, starting with the design of the S23 Ultra, it's going to be packing with a similar design as the S22 Ultra, and the major difference will be that you have a corner that are going to be on a boxier side, and you could see a flat display for the first time in the S series, which is going to be pretty amazing if the leak is true. Based on these images that has been leaked a few days ago, give us a detail that the S23 Ultra will be a little bit on the thicker side, and that's why the camera bump on the back side is going to be a little bit less as compared to S22 Ultra. Now, moving forward towards the display side, here we have a major upgrade because the E6 OLED LTPO 3.0 technology is implemented in the S23 Ultra, which definitely enhanced the brightness of the device up to a peak level of 2200 nits, which is going to be much more as compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is currently the champion in the brightest display ever produced in a mobile device. So definitely S23 Ultra will be beating the iPhone 14 Pro Max in that department. Now, another big feature that this display is going to be packing is the 45% battery saving as compared to S22 Ultra. So definitely mean that lower power consumption is going to be coming for the E6 OLED panel, and it will boost your battery life. The front of the device is also going to be protected with the Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is going to be slightly more durable and scratch resistant than the S22 Ultra. So definitely this is going to be a minor upgrade in terms of the durability and scratch resistant, but I think that it's going to be worth mentioning here. The front of the device is also coming with a 12 megapixel of a camera sensor, which is going to be a downgrade from the S22 Ultra 40 megapixel. In my opinion, if that 12 megapixel of a camera sensor is going to be similar to the iPhone 14 series, then definitely this is going to be a major upgrade because it will give you a 4K video recording and better quality of selfies in low light as well. So hope that this is going to be the case with that sensor. Now, moving on towards the back side, here we have similar Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection for the camera sensors glass, which is going to give you even more protection for that particular area. But as far as the sensor is concerned, one of the major upgrade that is coming for the S23 Ultra will be a 200 megapixel sensor, which will pack some incredible features. Like it will be give you for the first time an 8K video recording at 30 frames per second in an S series device for the S23 Ultra, which definitely give you a better quality of videos. Another feature that this 200 megapixel sensor will be coming is 3 different modes, like we have a 12 megapixel mode, a 50 megapixel mode, and a 200 megapixel mode, which will give you a different quality of images in these different modes. So definitely this is going to be a plus sign for this 200 megapixel camera sensor. The rest of the camera sensor are going to be pretty much same. We don't have any other major upgrades. Yes, we can expect to have a better quality of images and videos thanks to the new algorithm optimization for the photos and videos for the ultra wide, telephoto, and periscopic zoom. Now, moving forward towards the internal of the device, here we have another major upgrade that is coming for the first time in the S23 Ultra, that the Snapdragon variant is going to be coming in every region. No Exynos is going to be coming for next year S23 Ultra. So definitely this is going to be a good sign for all those regions who were having an Exynos which was a low quality processor. Now, this new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be having a better quality in both the CPU and GPU department, and here we have a 45% more performance boost as compared to S22 Ultra, which is pretty crazy. And this new processor is also going to be more power efficient, and you will get at least 40% of battery saving as compared to the S22 Ultra. So definitely battery wise, this device is going to be much more optimized. Now let's talk about the battery. Here we have the same 5000 mAh battery because of the same design, and we can have a 25 watt of fast charging and 45 watt of fast charging support for this particular device. Now, to be honest, I am expected to see a better battery life for the S23 series just because the new display technology that is implemented in the S23 Ultra, and definitely a new processor which is more power efficient. So combining them will give you a better battery life. Now, as far as the RAM is concerned, we have the LPDDR5 12GB of RAM option, but for the storage, it's going to be pretty amazing and great from Samsung because According to leaks, the Samsung S23 Ultra will be coming with a base storage of 256GB with a 12GB of RAM, and no 128GB storage is going to be available. So definitely this is going to be a big jump from Samsung with same pricing as the last year. And talking about the pricing, here we have the S23 Ultra packing. Now, talking about the pricing, the S23 will be coming with a now, talking about the pricing, the US pricing is going to be pretty much same as this year S22 Ultra. Like we have $799 for the S23. S23 Plus will be coming with $899 and $1,200 price tag for the S23 Ultra. Now, as far as the European market, here you can expect to have a $50 of a price hike. Now, another extra feature that is coming for the S23 Ultra will be the satellite connectivity, just like the iPhone 14 series, although we don't know anything about yet. But Samsung is also working on that technology, and it is expected to be coming in next year S23 Ultra device. So guys, as far as the launch date is concerned, it's going to be February 1st in San Francisco, and it's going to be the first in-house event that is coming from Samsung, and definitely I'm super excited about that. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this S23 Ultra device? Are you excited about that? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.